Okay, we're asked to graph this linear equation, 3y minus x equals negative 12. The hint is that you might want to transform it into y equals mx plus b form so that you can use your calculator. So our goal is to get y alone. Right now, the 3y is on the left side where it should be. The minus x is on the wrong side because we see it belongs on the right, mx plus b. And it looks like that minus 12 is in the right place. When we want to move a whole term, we have to make it cancel on the side it's on, and then do the same to the opposite side. Because it says minus x, we're going to do the inverse operation. We're going to do plus x so that it cancels. We then do plus x on the other side. Now, we have 3y at the left, so we're getting a little bit better to the y equals form, right? But let's try to force mx plus b form here. So we're going to put the plus x first, and then the minus 12 second, so that we're sort of forcing it into mx plus b form. Okay, last step, y needs to be completely alone if we're going to use the y equals button on the calculator. So to do that, it's 3 times y. We're going to do the inverse operation and divide by 3. Now, it looks like there's nothing next to the x, but what's always in front of an x? Right, a 1. So we can see that our slope is 1/3, right, x. We can rewrite this as y equals 1/3 x minus, and negative 12, or 12 by 3 is 4. So this is the equation that we're putting into the calculator. Okay, we always go to y equals. We're going to write in our equation 1 divided by 3x minus 4. And let me rewrite it over here where it shows. Oh, okay, it's here. Okay, so we could look at the graph. We're going to see a line. That's not going to help us graph it all that much. What's going to help a lot more is when we go to the table of values. Okay, so second graph gives us a table of values. And let's go to the more central values. You see at 0, if I copy some of this table, at 0 we're at negative 4. What's the next point you would pick? See, these are some messy decimals over here. Don't bother with them. Instead, the next point we should use is 3 and negative 3. Let's just get one more point, skip to where the messy decimals are gone, 6 and negative 2. So, if we plot these 3 points, 0, negative 4, 3 and negative 3, 6 and negative 2, we have a line. We should be using a straight edge so that you don't miss it completely like I just did. Using a straight edge to graph your line, do a better job than me, and put the equation of the line next to it, 3y minus x equals negative 12. It would be fine if you use this form of the equation, but original is always better. Last thing, is this point on the line? What's an easy way to find out? So, simplest way is just to stay on your table, go up to negative 3. Was this point on the line? Yeah, it's right here. It's on the calculator. When we put the equation into y equals, we see that this point is in fact on the line of this equation, and you just explain.